guys, welcome to today's video. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this really beautiful dusty rose cut crease with winged liner and this lipstick, and like I'm just feeling so many different ways. Like I'm really obsessed with this look and I really hope you guys enjoy watching. I think I'm just gonna jump right in to the eyeshadow. So what I've done right now is I got some concealer carved in my brows, obviously, because like how do you blend concealer? I don't know. I'm just going to be jumping right in and using my Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I think I'm just going to be taking my NYX number 17 brush. Do you know what? No, okay, call me lazy, but I have a look in mind and I don't know how to do eyeliner without using tape. Like I have no idea. Okay, no, I can do eyeliner without using tape, but it's just not even. Does that make sense? So this is how I'm trying to be. Okay, so I have a look in mind for today, and I think I'm going to do like a cut crease, like a full cut crease. I'm actually really excited. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm grabbing the shade Buon Fresco, putting that on a NYX number 17 brush. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to buff that right into my crease. And the reason why I'm using the number 17 brush is because it has like this tapered end and it's like a pointed brush. So it'll really just help me find that natural line where my crease is, so we can do a really natural looking cut crease. And I don't want to look like a drag queen. I'm just finding that place at the edge of my brow where my crease kind of disappears because it goes all the way down here. I'm just finding that place and we're just going to be blending. So what I've done for my eye base today is I took some of my concealer. I used my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealer for my eye base. And I just put that right on my lid and I pat it in with a synthetic brush. And then I did not set it and I just went right into eyeshadow. And I learned that from Miss Nikki Tutorials. If I ever get the chance to meet Nikki Tutorials, like I think we'll just combust. Ooh, I don't know if you guys want me zoomed in or not. You know, yeah, I'm gonna zoom y'all in. The one thing about this technique for priming the lids is that it does crease, like the concealer does crease relatively quickly, so you kind of have to work fast, especially when you're laying down the transition colors and all that kind of stuff. But honestly, other than that, works out pretty well, to be honest. Okay, so then I'm just getting a clean blending brush and I'm just going to be buffing out the edges of that eyeshadow. I also want to ask you guys which method of filming you like better for eye tutorials. Do you like it when I zoom in like this, or I leave it far away so that you don't feel uncomfortable? So yeah, like let me know in the comment section below. I'm also going to leave a poll on Instagram, my story, so go answer that. If not, just comment my pictures, because I'm posting this video like in 2 weeks. Pre-filmed. You got me. Okay, and then I'm just going in with that same shade and I'm just deepening that up quite a bit. Guys, I have some really big news coming up really soon, and I can't tell you guys just yet, but like it's huge for me, at least. Okay, it's not huge, like I'm being dramatic, but I mean, who would I be if I wasn't dramatic? So it's huge. Okay, and then just blending out again. Also, yeah, I'm well aware of the fact that I need to do my eyebrows, but I'm growing them out, so can y'all just leave me alone? Okay, now I'm just going into the shade. Well, bye then. Now I'm just going into the shade Love Let It right here, and I'm just putting that on that same NYX number 17 brush, just really, really lightly, tapping off the excess. And then I'm just going to be using that to deepen out my crease even more. Okay, and then of course, just blending that out as well. Okay, so now I'm just taking this really small detailing brush from Carol Baker, and I'm just going to be picking up Love Letter again. And I'm just really, really, really gonna take my time, first of all. And I'm just gonna be putting that right in my crease where I want her to be cut. Ooh, yes, okay. And I'm just going to be taking that same NYX blending brush and then just buffing that out. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking my Morphe 15N palette, and I'm just going to be dipping into the shade right here, Cliche, and I'm just going to be using that to deepen up my crease even more on both sides. Okay, and then I'm just buffing that out as well. Alright, and then just taking the other blending brush and buffing out those edges. Okay, now I'm just taking this really small angle brush and some concealer. I'm just going to be cutting my crease. Alright, so now that I cut the crease, I'm just going to be taking my Modern Renaissance palette again. And I'm just getting the shade Tempera on a small flat shader brush. And I'm just going to be using that to set the concealer that I just put down. Okay, and now I'm just going to be taking my Kat Von D Tattoo Liner. And I'm just going to be drawing a nice wing on my eyes. This is where it can all go either really good or really bad. Okay, now that I've done my eyeliner for 10 minutes, time for the big reveal. Okay, ready? I don't know how to feel. It's a little crooked. I think I have to fix it. Let's see how she turned out. I don't hate that one. I think I just need to make the wings a little longer. Alright, so I'm going to finish off with some lashes and mascara, and I will be right back. Wow, lashes really did save this look. Like, I'm actually so obsessed with this look right now. Whew, that was something else, y'all. So we're just going to jump right in with foundation. I'm going in today with my Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in the shade Rose Ivory. Y'all already know the drill. I don't even know why I gotta say it. So change of plans. This is not my shade. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna get our Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation in the shade 112. And I'm just going to put one pump of that on the back of my hand. And I'm just gonna get my foundation brush and then just like kind of try to fix our mistakes and add some coverage to her. Why is this my shade right now? Like, oh my god. Can you believe I've actually been this pale before? So for foundation, I'm doing this new technique where I get a foundation brush first and I kind of just like spread it around, if you know what I mean. And then I go with my beauty blender after, just because I find that my beauty blender soaks up so much product. And I've ordered a Morphe brush. The Y6, I think it is the Y6. But I've ordered a Morphe brush so that I can try using a brush for my foundation rather than a beauty sponge. I still love the baby sponge though, but it just soaks up so much product and your girl's broke. I'm going to now go in with my beauty blender and then just kind of buff this in. I'm really tan right now too. Oh god. Yeah, I'm still really pale, but like I'm tan for me. Okay, now I'm just going in with my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer, and I'm just going to be putting that under my eyes. Yeah, and then just blending that out as well. Okay, now I'm just getting my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade Fair. And I'm just going to be using that to set my under eye today. Okay. And I'm just going to be using whatever is left over on a big fluffy brush. I'm just going to set the rest of my face with that. For bronzer today, we are going to go in with my Benefit Hoola Bronzer. And then just working that right under my cheekbone. Okay, for blush today, I'm going to be going in with my Avon Lyrical Lilac Blush. Just popping that on my cheekbone. Now I'm just going to be carving out that contour with just that same loose powder that I used to bake under my eyes. And also the sides of my nose. So I'm just going in with that same Carol Bako detail brush, and I'm just going to be putting that right on my lower lash line, starting at the outer corner and working my way in. Okay, and then also just going in and then blending that out as well. Okay, finishing off the eyes with some roller lash on my bottom lashes. Oh, by the way, for eyes today, I'm using, on my top lashes, I'm using my L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara in Mystic Black, and I'm also using the Kiss Lashes in number 11. Alright, now just brushing off all that translucent powder that we have on. So for highlight today, I think I'm going to be using a mix. So for the eyes and the inner corners, I'm going to be using my Ofra Cosmetics and Nude Tutorials Glazed Donut Highlighter. I'm just popping that right on the inner corners. Love a good white highlight right on the inner corner. I think it just makes the eyes pop so much more, you know? Just popping a little bit of that under my brow bone as well. For a highlight today, I'm just going to be using my MAC Soft and Gentle highlight and just really going in. I think this highlighter is so gorgeous. Like, oh god. Oh god. So the trick for highlight for me is really going in with like a really heavy hand and then blending it out a lot, and then going in with just like a big powder brush and just like really fluffing it out nice and gently on the cheekbones, and I think it just gives it the most beautiful effect ever, and I'm just like so obsessed with that right now. I don't know, it's just, I can't even control myself, like I'm sorry. And then also what I like to do is I just go in with like a white highlight and get just like one swipe on my brush, and then I just like to go on the highest points on my cheekbones and like the highest points of my face with that, and then just like make it that much more intense. Of course, blending that as well with that, just the same brush, and then just the same thing, just taking that big fluffy brush and just blending that out. Okay, so I'm gonna do a bold lip with this, and I'm super duper excited because I'm going to be going in with the Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Color. This one, oh shoot, I don't know the shade name. Oh shoot, I don't remember the shade name. The shade name isn't on it, but it's this really gorgeous deep pink, and I'm just going to be applying that as well. I don't know about you guys, but I'm feeling things right now. Like, I'm feeling ways about this look. Okay, now I'm just finishing off with some MAC Fix Plus, of course. Okay, and then just finishing off with some brow gel. This is the Maybelline Great Lash Clear Mascara slash brow gel, whatever, over it. Okay, you guys, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching it. I really, really hope you enjoyed it. As for me, I'm really obsessed with this look. Like, I'm feeling so many different ways, and I just don't know what to say. As per usual, please leave a comment down below saying which videos you guys want to see next, and make sure you go and hit that subscribe button as well, and I will see you guys next time. Also, quick side note, I'm going to be changing from the amount of times I upload from once a week to once every 2 weeks, because it's getting harder and harder for me to film as school gets, you know, later in the year, and I'm like nearing finals and exams and stuff like that, so I appreciate your understanding in this time. Alright, you guys, have a good one. I'll see you next time.